welcome back to a video of Watch Dogs 2. I have played a couple hours of this already, but I've decided to kick off from here just so I can get a hang of the controls, all that kind of stuff. I didn't know if I was going to fully record this, but I've decided I will just because I'm quite enjoying it. So yeah, we might as well just get into it. Right now, I'm currently... Let's see what I'm doing. Where are we? This one? Yeah, we're gonna meet Wrench at his garage. So yeah, let's do that right now. I played Watch Dogs 1 and thoroughly enjoyed it, and this one's been quite a good kind of surprise as well. But yeah, I really hope this does well, this game.
Yo, Wrench.
Yo, M.
Damn, man, I hope you kept the receipts.
Hey, yo. Check out this fuck stick.
So tell us about Home 2.0.
Home systems are completely bulletproof. Your privacy is absolutely secure.
Bold claim, Steven. Aren't you worried hacker groups will see that as a challenge?
Well, say what you mean, Shirley. Dead sec. Now, if they want to go up against us, I invite them to try. Home 2.0 is an OS with teeth.
Yo, he called us out by name?
Yep.
He don't know who he fucking with. It's on now.
And that's why I've been trying to crack 2.0. There's just one teeny little problem.
What?
Here, pull this. Stand back. Great. Chip! It's a little hard to get out. Look, there's no point in trying to use the previous version's hardware to jack the new OS. Why? Because they changed the ports. Following the Capital's Guide to Forced Obsolescence. But luckily, a little birdie told me that 2.0 should be packing a farm fresh 0 day.
Ooh, now that might just be a shame.
Damn right. And that is why you, my friend, are going to hijack me a 2.0 pre-order shipment before some do-gooder white hat tells Home how to cock-block us.
You've got a weird relationship with technology. You know that, right?
He didn't mean it.
Alright, so that might be a little bit confusing, but basically I'll just run you through. So basically what's been going on is we're part of DedSec, which is the hacker group in this game. You can basically hack cars and things like that. So if you look at this, that I'm controlling this car, I can tell it to go forward and off it goes. So basically your phone can control everything. So I just hacked into this car. Alright, sorry about that, I just had to turn off the music. So, basically what's going on is you're part of DedSec, which is the hacker group in this game. And right now we're trying to take on Dawn, which are the kind of CTOS kind of group in this game, and they, you know, have all the cameras around the city and hack everyone's files and things like that. So that's basically what's going on. Not too much has actually happened in the story just yet. It's been quite slow to start, I should say. But it's... I mean, I want to keep playing it, so it's doing something right. But it's been, yeah, a little bit slow, so hopefully it should pick up soon and, you know, some more exciting things should hopefully happen. Hopefully. Fingers crossed. If we look at, we have, okay, so we've got a track mission. Why do I have my gun out? That's me. Okay, so we're going to go this way for this current mission. So once we get to this place, hopefully we can do some sneaking or some sort, and I'll show you our little gadgets we have. We've got like a little drone that you can throw up into the air, and it can basically survey the area for you, and you've also got a little kind of go-kart, kind of RC car thing that allows you to obviously drive and pick up things and hack things manually. So it's got some really good ideas in this game. The reviews were alright for it, nothing too crazy. But if you can't tell already, this is San Francisco, and they've used quite a few of the real scenes.
Okay, I'm at Holmes Distribution Center.
Great. Okay, so take a look around for a computer, one of those old crap box ones. Now, Holmes stores their schedules based on number plate destination combinations, like some kind of barely literate moron. If that moron was, you know, the company.
Good to know. I'll see what I can find.
Alright, so this is a perfect chance to show you the RC car. So basically the RC car can fit through these little compartments, I guess you'd say. Puts you in first person. You can go through these little bits, open up these little grates, and then we'll hack this door, and this should allow us to get the main character into this little area. I hope. I think. Yeah, there you go. So we can open that. As good as you. So yeah, it's just little things like that which make this game really cool. Just knock over the boxes.
Where are you?
Got it. I got the list.
Okay, great. So now all you have to do is stroll over to the distribution center and match the number plate of one of their trucks to the one that's headed downtown.
Man, this is so analog.
I told you. Luddites.
Alright, so right now I'll show you guys basically what you can do in this game. So you can hack cameras to allow you to basically take an eye where you can't normally look. And as you can see, my guy's just there. He's blurred out because, you know, he's a hacker, all that kind of stuff. But basically, we need to take this truck, I believe, but we need to hack into that. So, locked by access keys, so we need to find the access key. So one of these guys will have an access key. Oops. Didn't mean to do that, but that's okay. Just hack that guy's bank account. Where's this guy? All these need access keys. Wonder where he is. Because otherwise I would just hack this car and just drive it straight out, but can't do that without finding this guy first. Okay, there's the key. So I'm going to need to pick that up. So basically what I think I'm going to do is I'll get into the base like this, go for a little swim, and then I'll use okay, let's find a safe spot. That's not really going to be that safe. This might be. Just in this corner. If we put out the not this one, sorry. The drone. Little RC car. Can make his phone ring so they don't look at me. Squeeze past here. Get into this building. Nice and easy.
Yeah,
Oh, I've been spotted. Uh-oh.
Hi. Can you help me?
Where's the key? Oh, it's that lady.
No, I already I want to place a 3 not put on the rating. I work for the company, okay? I'm staring right at a...
Alright, I've got the key. So... all I have to do now is get to the car. Oh, nearly got spotted. Jump into the water.
I found the truck.
Great! And what are you waiting for? Smash and grab, my friend.
Make his phone ring just so he doesn't notice me too fast.
I need some help here.
Alright, time to get out of here. Time to get out of here. Oh, I just ran someone over, that's alright. Okay. Oh, squeeze past you. Excuse me, coming
I got
through.
the shipment and I'm inbound.
I'll ready to welcome you today.
We're gonna get out of this. Oh. Swerve him off the road. Oh, he's getting back to us. It's okay, hopefully we can get out of this. That's one. We'll take him. Oh, he's crashing into poles. There's no way. Get off the road. Just stop him in his tracks. Make his car completely stop. Drive. So you can see down the bottom right I've got kind of charges on my kind of hacking capabilities. So things like opening doors and stuff like that doesn't take any of them, but things like moving cars and all that kind of stuff does. Probably isn't the best spot to hide, but you can basically pop it in somewhere secret. If you push circle, you can hide in the car, so you don't get noticed as easily. Now back to Wrench. 800 meters, which isn't too far away either, which is good. But yeah, that's basically Watch Dogs 2. That's basically what you do. I've done a couple missions where they've been quite cool in the amount of hacking you can do and all that kind of stuff. But most of the missions you do with your kind of drones and things like that. I mean, you can use yourself, but it makes it a bit more, I'd say, easy with using your drones and things like that. around this corner. This is basically where you store imported vehicles that you steal and things like that. Pop this open. And jump in here. Into Wrench's garage.
Trash. Trash. Wait a minute.
Hey, tell me I got something good.
Nope. Trash. Trash. Oh ho ho. Well, you got the goods. Is it actually good? It might be evil. I don't know. This is home we're talking about. All right. Well, I will get this little fucker prepped while you go get us some caffeine.
Wait, you want me to get you two coffee?
No, he's a robot. I want you to get us caffeine. He'll take a decaf.
Alright, so I think we'll call that episode here. I hope you enjoy. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.